Hello everybody, Mike here. We have the multi-function power strip just delivered. We're going to do an unboxing. It is a highly rated product on Amazon. These power strips, you really can't have enough of them in your house. So with this power strip, you get 3 AC outlets, one, two, three. You get 2 USBs, and then also 1 USB-C. So 6 total inputs. So it's ultra flat, has an extension cord, so you can use this. There's the plate if you want to mount it to the wall. I usually do not do that, but there is the option with this power strip. And I really like power strips that have the USB. I actually do not have any with the USB-C, so this is pretty cool. Like I said, like these power strips really come in handy. They're good for protection and then also good to kind of plug in multiple things if you need to. So the cord length is 5 feet and it's 3 prong to plug in. And then also it's listed at 1,875 watts. Does have extra surge protection, right? And it is FCC certified. So with this surge protector, you can pretty much power anything, AC outlet, plugs, or if they have a USB or a USB-C, you can plug that in. Does have the on and off switch, so as you can see, turn in. I have the vacuum, handheld vacuum plugged into it, so it's showing blue now that I have it turned on, and then you can also turn it off from the power strip. So that's nice. So overall, very useful and convenient power strip. I'll definitely be using this to plug in some of my devices.